Hey guys, look at a beautiful, super nice and clean new arrival at Car City Inc. in Palatine. 2014 Jeep Cherokee Limited, 4-wheel drive, beautiful looking SUV in a great shape. It's got clean CARFAX report, no accidents, a very nice color combination, white exterior over black and brown leather combination interior, parking sensors front and back, roof rack, tinted windows, alloy wheels, very nice tires in a great shape. It runs and drives beautiful. Front row ready, it's been detailed and inspected. Fresh oil, pass all safety inspections. Let's take a peek inside. It is fully loaded inside. It's got power windows, power locks, power mirrors, cruise control, traction control, memory seats, leather interior in a great shape. Beautiful two-tone leather with the power seats and heated and cooled seats. This vehicle's got a technology package, guys. So it has a blind spot. It's got lane assist. It's got pre-collision system. 102,000 miles. Bluetooth. Lots of different applications, navigation, rear view camera. As I said, it's got heated, cooled seats, AM, FM, CD, aux, satellite radio, AC blow size cold, aux, USB, automatic transmission. It has push to start button, extra keys, non-smoking, no odors inside, clean headliner with a big panoramic sunroof. Here you go, here's the back seat, it's in a great shape as well. Your floor mats in the trunk. Beautiful, fully loaded 2014 Jeep Cherokee Limited with 102,000 miles. So if you guys have any questions or would like to schedule time to test drive this beautiful SUV, please feel free to give us a call, 847-496-4250. Check our website, carcitychicago.com, for more information, pictures, video, and a free CARFAX report. Beautiful alloy wheels, beautiful tires, fully loaded. It's got heated steering wheel as well. Here you go, super nice and clean under the hood as well. As I said, it's been detailed and inspected, guys. It's a front row ready unit, 4-wheel drive, fully loaded with all safety features. Very nice, front row ready 2014 Jeep Cherokee Limited. 102,000 miles, clean CARFAX, well maintained. Front row ready. Please call us with any questions, 847-496-4250. Check our website, carcitychicago.com, for more information, pictures, video, and a free CARFAX report. Please stop by and visit our store. We have a very nice variety of used cars. Usually it's about 150 units in stock. Financing is available, so please stop by and give us a visit. We're located at 2232 North Rand Road in Palatine, Illinois, and we are Car City Inc. Thank you so much for watching this video. You guys have a beautiful day.